Let me show you how to enforce or enable access code rules on DocuSign. To do that, click on Admin at the top, and on the left side, click on Security Settings. Here, if you scroll down, you will find a section under the General Authentication Settings called Access Code, and you can enforce the access code rule, and this is going to allow you to set up the code length that could be 6 to 50, so you can go ahead and set it. So here it's currently set to the minimum, so just let's say I want to set that to about 10. I can change that, and you see how it actually works there. Now you also have the option to, let's say, change it to one letter or one number. You can set this up, or special characters, you can enable these as well. So if you want to go ahead and set up your access code, you can change this to the amount of characters or whatever it is that you want to set it. I would say like 10 minimum is extremely long, so 6 would be the sweet. So if you want to keep it to about 8 characters, which is, I would say, really ideal, you could set that to about this, and you can kind of manage what you want to basically include: at least one letter, at least one number, and special characters if you want to really make it strong. I would say enabled all three help to make and ensure the account is very strong and unique, and let's say not very easy for someone to let's say hack. And so if you want to go into this, you can quickly enable or enforce the access code rules here. Once you're done, just click on save changes at the bottom, and that's all that you have to do, guys.